Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So Adobe just released Premiere Pro version 15 and there's one feature in this update which I'm super excited about, and thank you Adobe for actually putting this in. It's going to save me a lot of time and probably save you a lot of time too. That's the feature where we can now copy track audio effects between tracks and also between sequences. Let me just show you what I mean in Premiere Pro. I've got a couple of sequences here in Premiere Pro. If I open up scene 1 and come down to the audio track mixer, and let's go and add some audio effects. So a common workflow for me is to go and add some EQ first. And we'll just go and make a few changes here. So for example, this could be if you're working with some dialogue, or if you're doing a tutorial, you might want to boost a little bit, cut a little bit, and so on. And then typically I'm also going to add some compression. So I usually use the tube modeled compressor. And for example, we could use the voice leveler preset and then just set the threshold here. So it used to be a real pain because if you've also got another scene, such as this, you might want to have the same audio effects applied. Before version 15, this was a real pain because you couldn't actually copy these effects from this sequence to this sequence. But with version 15, all you need to do is right click, choose copy track effects, head back to the scene 2 here, and then just right click on whichever channel you want to apply them. So we could apply them on channel 3 here, right click, choose paste track effects. You'll notice though that you can only copy the entire set of effects. You can't just copy, for example, this parametric EQ. So what would you do if you already had some effects on this? Say for example we've got some noise reduction. If you right click and choose paste track effects, it's going to overwrite that denoise. Just undo that. So what I do in this case is just go and create a new dummy audio track, paste the track effects you want to copy, and then simply drag them across to the track that already had an effect applied.